So I was asked, can the lock be flipped around the inside? And yes, it can. So you can flip it around and have your lock in the inside of the wheel, or you can have it the outside, however you want it. But honestly, the way I look at it, if you got it on the outside, it's still going to be more complicated for them to knock it off. You know what I mean? If you got a good one, or cut it, versus them having that, because they really ain't even going to know that this one exists. But if you want it in the inside, you can just put the lock in the inside, and it's not hard. It's not going to touch nothing. And you can have it in the inside, and that way they really don't see it. And most of the time, thieves steal things it's at night anyway, so you know what I mean, they ain't gonna even know it. So just wanted to give you a small update, because I had someone ask me about that, and I wanted to flip it around and kind of show you that you can have it either way, or I might just need to build them to have the lock in the inside. So if that's so, just let me know in the comments, man, if you think I should just have the lock in the inside, or should make it just optional where you can go either way. So appreciate y'all. HogOn.